Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Giphy to Base44. So first, get the Giphy API key. Sign up or login at Giphy Developer Portal. So go to the search bar, type in Giphy Developer Portal, hit enter and choose Giphy Developers. Now, what you'll have to simply do is create an account. After creating an account, you'll have to basically create an app to get your API key. Then access the Base44 platform. So open your Base44 project dashboard, navigate to the integration or API section and search for Giphy. Choose Giphy and here you can see when you click on this use this integration button, you'll be easily able to add the Giphy API key in the next prompt and that will instantly connect Giphy to Base44. But before that, this integration requires backend functions, a feature that is available only on Builder tier and above. So make sure you have upgraded to a Builder tier plan or above in order to connect Giphy to Base44. After you do this, you would have successfully integrated your Base44 with Giphy. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.